When you guys think of like a scientist, what do you think that they do like on an everyday basis?
Solve problems.
All the time. Do you think of somebody sitting in a lab coat in a lab working all day, or interacting with patients?
Not the best I think.
Ready?
I think they just discover stuff.
Discover stuff? Yeah, scientists can work anywhere. You know, when you go to the store and buy Shamrock Farms milk, there's scientists behind that. They have to do tests to make sure that bacteria doesn't grow on it, to make sure that it has the right shelf life. There's scientists that work at any food place, finding ways that food can last longer. Not only like the actual lab part of it, but scientists are also in fields like salesmen and they're lawyers, because there's a lot of business side to it also. So those people also have science background. If you're interested in it, but you don't really want to do the lab part of it, you can go into more of the business aspect of science.
I'm just going to show you guys real quick just some little cool chemical reactions. So you guys have two things on your desk, a white powder, which is baking soda, and then you guys have vinegar, which is the liquid. So and when you mix those together, you're going to see something pretty cool.
Does anybody know what biology is?
Science?
Yes, is a type of science, but it's a specific type of science that studies living things. So studying ourselves, humans, is part of biology.
Reactions actually happen more than you probably think about in an average day. Everything in your body is a reaction. When you eat food, your stomach digests it. There's enzymes and acids that react with the food to digest and move it through your body. Reactions happen in the air, in the atmosphere.
Basically, when you see two things mixed together and they undergo some sort of physical change, that's a chemical reaction happening.
There's a bunch of different types of science, and the experiment I'm about to do is actually considered chemistry.
A common household element, everyone probably has it, it's hydrogen peroxide. You put it on cuts if you have like a wound or something. And sodium iodide. And we're going to react it with a little bit of dish soap, and we're going to see what happens. And afterwards, I want you guys to think of what you think happened and why.
This is hydrogen peroxide.
I'm going to add some soap.
Let's hope this works.
I told you guys.
That kind of changed color. Alright. So yeah, you guys were right. It changed color, it kind of exploded, and it came out of my tooth.
Some chemical reactions, like you guys just saw, make bubbles. Some of them make really big bubbles like this, and this one actually produces heat. So like if I touch the bottle, it's warm.